everyone, and welcome to the second episode of Let's See What We Can Teach Miss B. On today's episode, we have a really cool second grader named Avery, and she teaches us a really cool drawing. Let's take a look. She teaches you, now you teach her. Let's see what we can teach Miss B. In this episode, Avery G teaches us how to make Avery's ice cream surprise. Where did you come up with this idea, or how did you come up with it?
I was just watching a how to draw video, and then it looked pretty fun. So I decided to watch it.
And then do it yourself, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. And in the video, was it an ice cream cone, or did you come up with that yourself?
It was an ice cream cone.
Cool. Awesome. All right, so if someone was going to do this at home, what art materials do they need?
They would need a dark colored marker and stuff to color with.
Okay, and probably some paper too, right? All right. Cool. So is there anything that you want to let people know before we get into the steps of the artwork? Like that they should remember, like maybe advice? If you had to give somebody advice.
You have to fold before you draw.
Okay, so make sure to fold before you draw. Got it. All right. So step one, what do we do?
We have to fold the paper in half.
Okay, so fold the paper in half. Now what?
Then you bring the top flap all the way up to the crease.
Okay.
And then you have to draw a U shape on the top flap. An upside down U shape.
Got it.
And then you have to do little regular U's on the bottom. And then you have to draw the cone, so you do two slanted lines and then connect it with the point. And then you have to draw diagonal lines, and then when you're done on one side, then you have to do it on the opposite side. And then you open it up, and then you do the little U shapes on the bottom of the rainbow on the top. Then you do another rainbow shape, but connecting to the one on the top.
Okay.
And then you have to do the little U shapes on the bottom of it.
Got it.
And then you have to keep going until you have 4 scoops.
Okay.
And then you can draw some funny faces on it if you want.
Wow, awesome work, Avery. You have taught me so much. That was such a cool drawing. Well, let's see if you could teach Miss B. Yay! Thank you again, Avery. That was such a fun drawing. If you make one of Avery's ice cream surprise drawings, make sure to put it down in the comments. We'd love to see it. If you want to be on the next episode of Let's See What We Can Teach Miss B, go ahead and email Miss Brown at, and I'll make sure to connect with you. So until next time, see you later. Bye. She teaches you, now you teach her. Let's see what we can teach Miss B.